3 years in silence, the crown on his brow, but blood still cries from the stone even now. No trumpet of war, no sign from the sky, just the whisper of justice walking nearby. Shechem once cheered, but fear starts to spread. The bond they forged now hangs by a thread. God moved his hand, not with sword, but with bread, to stir up the roots of betrayal and death. They thought they'd won, they danced and schemed, but God was working slow and unseen. Mercy delayed is now mercy denied. The judge had waited, now justice arrives. God sent the rift, not fire, not flood, but a fracture deep beneath their trust. What sin had joined, the Lord unsued, and traitors turned on their own. When power's throne is built on lies, it breaks apart beneath the skies. God sent the rift, and it began the fall of a self-made man. The silver they gave from boughs on chest now funds the cracks within the nest. Ambushes laid in hills they knew, but the hand behind them wasn't new. God saw the storm